Do you know your personal information might already be in the hands of AI? And the scary part is, you didn't even realize it. Every day, we download apps, scroll, click, and accept permissions without thinking. And slowly, our data starts leaving us. Photos, contacts, messages, even private files. Now here's the danger. Recently, many fake AI apps have started appearing on app stores. They look normal, some even look useful, like AI photo editors, AI chat apps, AI video tools. But once you install them, they ask for access, camera, storage, microphone, and most people just press allow. That's where the problem begins, because some of these apps don't just use your data, they take it. There was a girl in New York who downloaded an unknown AI app. At first, everything seemed normal. The app worked, nothing unusual. But a few days later, something changed. She received a message. "We have your data." At first, she didn't believe it. But then, they sent her photos, her personal files, her private videos, everything from her own phone. That's when she realized the app she trusted had taken everything, and now they were using it to blackmail her, threatening to leak everything if she didn't pay. She panicked. She didn't know what to do. And the worst part, she gave them access herself. No hacking, no virus, just one app and one mistake. This is how dangerous AI scams are becoming. So how do you protect yourself? First, never download unknown AI apps. Always check reviews, downloads, and developer information. Second, never allow unnecessary permissions. If an app asks for access that it doesn't need, that's a red flag. And finally, be careful what you store on your phone, because once your data is gone, you can't take it back. So the real question is, how many apps on your phone already have access to your life?